Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Novia Indah Arianti, the first author, and Miss Heri Maria Zulfianti, the second author. Then Miss Ria Syafaatun as the third author. Here I would like to convey the result of my research entitled Effort to Improve Learning Literacy Abilities of Students in the Field of Pancasila Education with the Class 4 Quiz Board Learning Model at SDN X Banguntapan, where in the research can be explained in the background as follows, namely education is the main means of developing student potential to face the challenge of the digital era Dewantara 1949. Important complexities in the modern era are literacy, namely the ability to understand, analysis, and use information critically. Kemendikbud 2017. Pancasila and Inclusive Education or PPKN plays a strategic role in instilling Pancasila value and shaping the character of the nation next generation. Wishboard designed to encourage active student involvement transform educational games Sanjaya Daryanto 2012. This study aims to explore efforts to improve the literacy of grade 4 students through Pancasila learning using the quiz board model at SDNX Banguntapan. Then the next is a method where the method has six parts, namely participant and context. Can be explained class 4 with 28 students. Next is material, where the material explain the learning material student, such as Pancasila education subject on village and sub-describe apparatus material. Next is data collection and analysis in the explain about observation, cognitive diagnostic test atau initial test, and evaluation test. Next is ethical consideration, which explain about have improvement in learning by using quizzes board, learning media, and the last in the limitation to the studies, which explain about class 4 was 28 students, where the student had various characters and level of understanding. Next, where there are result and discussion, where there is a table of student literacy achievement pre-cyclus, cyclus 1 and cyclus 2, and student literacy diagram in pre-cyclus, cyclus 1 and cyclus 2, where from the result of the student literacy after carrying out the cycles activity increase. The number of students who are less literate in the reading and understanding learning can be reduced by using interactive and creative learning media in the form of quiz board, which makes students active in the reading and understanding learning. And finally, there is a consolation where the consolation explain about the result of the study can be cloned that the literacy indicator of students who are fluent in the reading and easy to understand learning have undescribed from pre-cyclus to cyclus 1, cyclus 1 to cyclus 2, with teacher assigning using interactive, interesting, and creative learning media in the form of quiz board that makes students more enthusiastic about reading and understanding learning. This show that the application of Quizboard media can encourage learning activities of Pancasila education in class 4 of SDN X Banguntapan, experiencing and encourage not only from aesthetical figures about through research but also seen from the enthusiasm and active participant of students in participating in learning. That's a note presentation for me. There are shortcomings and advantages of places. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.